healthy heart is essential for a healthy life. If it stops, we stop. So for a healthy heart, we should reduce LDL cholesterol, manage blood pressure, and most importantly, maintain a clean and healthy blood flow. So how do we do that? Blood is made up of plasma, red cells, white cells, and platelets. These tiny fragments of cells, released from bone marrow, morph between being smooth and spiky. In their smooth state, they circulate easily through the bloodstream, sliding off the vessel walls and gliding past any rough debris. But in an emergency, they secrete sticky proteins, snagging like Velcro onto each other and their surroundings, at the same time sending out signals to activate other platelets to do the same. So at a wound, for example, in order to block the escape of blood, the activated platelets hook together, forming a kind of platelet glue which creates a web-like structure, initiating a blood clot. But if clots form within blood vessels, blocking the blood flow and thereby cutting off the oxygen supply, this puts a great strain on the heart to clear the blockage. Many factors can increase the likelihood of platelets becoming overactive. These include obesity, diabetes, immobilization, smoking, mental stress, exposure to air pollution, those at risk from a deep vein thrombosis such as endurance athletes or long-haul travelers, and even basic aging. So what are the solutions? Aspirin is a well-known and very effective medication used for the secondary prevention of cardiovascular events. But approximately a quarter of the population can be intolerant or resistant, and harmful effects are common. Therefore, the US FDA doesn't support its use as a primary preventer of cardiovascular disease. Fruitflow has similar benefits to aspirin and can play a role in primary prevention, and had antiplatelet effects on 97% of the subjects tested. It's completely natural, healthy and safe, with no reported side effects, because it's made from fresh, ripe tomatoes, of which about 3% contains the precious bioactive tomato compounds. And Fruitflow concentrates these BTCs again and again, until one serving of Fruitflow, just 150 milligrams, contains the same amount as in around 3 bowls of tomato soup, but without the calories. And it's a proven scientific fact, recognized by the European Food Safety Authority, which said Fruitflow helps maintain normal platelet aggregation, which contributes to healthy blood flow. The benefits start to happen in about 1.5 hours, and the first dose lasts for 12 to 18 hours before everything goes back to normal. But when taken every day, it maintains a constant, healthy blood flow. It's highly stable, water-soluble, and has little flavor, odor, or color, making it an ideal ingredient in a vast array of foods, beverages, and supplements for consumers who want to maintain a healthy blood flow without medication. Fruitflow, scientifically proven, the next generation in heart health. Just one of DSM's natural supplements for better heart health. Search DSM Health Benefit Solutions online or visit our website.